Right. Copyright strike avoided. View count decreased. Okay. I'm gonna be continuing. Continue making that shell that I've been making past few days. So let's get WSL up. In a way, I got a sub. Right, where's the chat? Bloody unhook. Okay. Let's see what else I gotta do to finish my project. Let's see. List all the files. We got that. We don't have that. We could make that easily. I think the hardest one will be travel between directories. That would be the most fun, I think. So travel. So that's just CD. Okay. Blue. I'll do it properly this time. Here we got why is the quality bad? Come on, man. We don't need to return anything. CD. And it would take, oh, that's gonna be hard. No, what am I doing? This is the definition, not the implementation. Okay. what to do. So we got the location. Use the location. How? Don't know how. I need to use file system, that's all I know. Current path here. You can change the working directory using. Wait. Are you sure? Which version of C++ does G++ 15.2 support? C++ 20. Okay, that's fine. Oh, is that it? Oh, well, that's too simple. That is way too simple. All I gotta do is input a string into there. Oh, come on, man. You're just doing the whole work for me. Okay. The change directory works on POSIX and Windows. You see the man page. I wanted to do it myself. That's boring. Can we do it just with the API? It almost never affects the process that spawned the process. Wouldn't a kernel be able to do that? I need to make my own kernel. Avoiding standard libraries. Oh, that's exactly what I want to do. I have to check out the source code for this. std file system source code. Well, where's the source? It seems like all of this code is just the exact same thing. What's my silly Pookie Bear doing today? Same thing as always. Depressing myself over C++. How are you, Original? I need the build system. Learning to sail a boat in Stormworks. Alright, buddy, have fun. Bro. Original, do you even do any programming? Yo, been following you for a minute, man. How's it going? Hello, Ryan. Good, man. How are you? How long you been following for? Original, you haven't been programming. I'm disappointed to hear that. You're a programmer for 6 years. Sick. I guess I did the lines, like a few lines of Lua. Yeah, it does count. I mean, it is a programming language, so yeah. Please, no errors. Why did it take so long to compile? Ryan Gregor. You love the Black Ops 2 modding video? Oh, I'm glad you liked it, man. I think you were the only one. Because in order to like that kind of content, you probably need to have a similar interest. It's a really niche topic. So, yeah. I mean, I'd love to do it again. I don't know if I can on this laptop. This laptop is nowhere near as good as my PC back home in England. But I might install Black Ops 2 here, just to see if it works. That's the first part of the reason why I started, then I followed into web dev. Oh, you do Black Ops 2 modding as well? There also is a new update in Arknight Enfield, so needed to get a new character and signature weapon. I have no clue what you're talking about. You talked to a lot of reverse engineers and chat development back in 2017. Dude. Oh, how I wish I could have done that as well. Cheat engines, yeah. Man, in 2017, man, I was obsessed. I was absolutely obsessed with trying to hack Black Ops 2 multiplayer. Too bad I was 9 years old. Or how old was I? Yeah, I was 9. Otherwise, I would have tried my best to network with them as well. But now the game is really dead. You were 17? Oh. You're 8 years older than man. Yeah, you were 17. Nah, he's not Ankh. Original. Just because everyone's older than you doesn't mean they're Ankh. Mate. Alright, let's see if my CD thing works. I'm going to try go back. If this actually works first try, I'm going to be super impressed. It did not work. Wait. It worked. But it didn't update this thing. You have turned 18, so I'm jailable. Happy late birthday to you, Original. Everyone at work calls me Unc, man. Oh shit, man. You get used to it. Original, you're Unc, mate. You're an adult. Bloody hooligan. It only gets worse. Facts. I need to list. Where's the list? Where's the current directory? So I'm not updating the current directory. Why am I getting that from there? Oh, dumbass, bro. So I set up video years ago, man. Good shit. Bro, my setup right now is literally just this laptop and the monitor. Actually, can I even show you it? Let me show you my new setup. Oh my god. Look at that. This is all it is. Actually, while I'm here, I'm gonna flex my abs real quick. Do before farming, what can I say? Oh shit, nearly fell over. You see, a man's got angel wings. Kraft Ramzen, hello. Is bro naked nearly? I'm Wana. I was the one that you had a monitor and a keyboard about a year later. What, Ryan? I don't know what you're saying, mate. You're in the gym? Yeah, I am. I don't do gym though, I do calisthenics. Kraft from Zen. Kraft from, do you even program, bro? I don't remember if you do. This year setup video. I don't think I have anything new compared to the last setup. Where is it? Alright guys, so for the past 6 years, it's the exact same app. I swear down. The only thing that's changed is the keyboard. I got an actual good keyboard now, finally. And my chair. My chair is utterly sexy, mate. Can do. That's it. Push-ups or other. The room is the exact same as it was 1 year ago. It's been 11 months since this video. It's the exact same, apart from the keyboard and the chair. The chair that I got, it was like £300. This chair that I have now is absolutely amazing. Back in England. One sec, my grandma is leaving. You catch you later. Have a good day. You too, bro. What keyboard? Personally got a Keychron K2. Dude, I forgot. What was it? Fucking hell, there's a massive bug on my window. Keep grinding the YouTube thing. You're gonna do great. We'll see about that. But thank you. Yeah, I don't know what keyboard I got back home though. It's a good one though. It was like £80 from CEX. Originally it's like 160. Future Mr. Beast. What about future EDP? Nah, I'm joking. What about future? What's that homeless guy's name? Make a beat to. You know what? I'll install it now. I'll install it now just to remind me. Your keyboard costs like $110. Is bro American? Yeah, I'll definitely make a BO2 one. Ryan, have you got any suggestions about what to do specifically in BO2 modding? Because the stuff that I did in that video, that's all I know how to do. People say how shit us Americans are. Who says that? I don't think people say that, mate. Right, let's do this. I mean, I could do something maybe funny with the campaign. I'll install all three just in case there is a chance of modding each. Maybe Black Ops 3. Y'all Americans trying to take our land. What is bro talking about? Shit, wait, no, I'm not gonna do that. That's gonna destroy the bandwidth of my stream. Hold up a damn minute. Pause all of your asses. Did you hear about McJuggernuggets? Who is bro? I never heard of bro in my life. McJuggernuggets. Nah, I don't know this one. Looks kind of sus, mate. Right, I'm gonna make a little Linux kernel next bloody video. You know, why not? Dun, dun, dun. So what was I doing? I need to do update current directory each loop. Oh, look up Jesse Ridway. He did something. Bro, I actually don't care about people's drama. Jesse Ridway. Mom of son of Down syndrome pushes back. Did you guys know that Down syndrome's actually is deleted? There's no more Down syndrome ever again. They found a cure for it. Wife decided to terminate pregnancy. Alright, buddy. I'm autistic. Bro, welcome to the clan, bro. I think everyone here is autistic, so like, don't even worry about it. It was a kid who bought his because he got Downs. Alright. Crazy, bro. Modern Eugenics is so nice. Don't know who that guy is. Update. So, if I need to do. That's a string. Surely current path has a output operator overloaded. Any overload marked surely. Yeah, you can. Current path. It's a function. Okay. Oh, it returns a string, dickhead. Alright, bye, Ryan. See you next time. Well, I don't even need to do this. This whole thing was a waste. Modern. Okay, I read that already. File system. Original, what music should we put in? Hey? I'm gonna start a poll, but it's only me and you watching probably. So Funk, which one? What the hell? Random TikTok. My brother, I don't use TikTok. I don't know what you're talking about. You gotta give a name. What? Everything I listen to is copyright anyway. My channel's been shadow banned so much. I really can't put any copyrighted music. It's gonna go more down the gutter than it already has. You only know NCS. Actually, that's a good idea. No copyright sounds. Utter God. He is a god in YouTube. Wow. Let me see. Bro, shut up. Okay. There's bombs outside my house. We are a nation of autists. Who's bro? What counts? The C programming language. Oh no, what did this guy send me? I can't show this on stream. What is this? Me bombo clad. Bro's character name in anime is pornography. Poor granny cat. Bro, you'd make a good femboy. You know what I mean? Wait, is this copyright? Is this copyright? Okay, so I need to fix this quotation mark error. Maybe it doesn't allow colors. This is not copyrighted. Rammstein is not copyrighted. Because it doesn't say down here it's not copyrighted. Linkin Park? No. None of this stuff is copyrighted, I hope. It is a solid song, yeah. Do you know where I got it from? What's his name? The Australian guy that makes games in OpenGL and Vulkan. I don't really play Stormworks. I don't even know what that is, man. It works! Yes! Yes! It works. Okay. Stormworks, a P game where you build stuff and then you can use logic gates and lyrics to outputs. That sounds like Rust. That's literally Rust. No, not Rust, you dickhead. They got Redstone. That just sounds like Redstone. You know what I'm talking about. No, I don't. You're uncultured, mate. You haven't spent 10,000 hours on Rust yet, rookie. Bloody rookie. It actually works, that's mad. Wait, this isn't my app. Rust is a PvP game. Yeah, it's a PvP game. It's not copyright. Yeah, Tokyo Spliff, that's his name. That's the name that I got the music from. Okay, well, what else? Alright, bro, what? Create new files, remove a file, we don't have that. Yeah, we do. Create new folder. We can travel. Alright, it's done already. I'm just saying it's done, man. I'm working in Maine. I may as well just jump out the window at this point. Okay. Start a new project. Linux kernel. Okay. Handling the logic looks fun. Alright. Whoa. Got a lot of bugs, mate. What is Afnur talking about, man? I don't even know what generics are. It must means they don't got electricity. Electricity. Okay. Fair enough. So let's make the kernel now. What's the root? No external library. Just Linux kernel API. Okay, so what is the kernel API? Include Linux kernel.h. That's it, I think. Barebones, os.dev. Awesome game, right? You should play it. I am not spending 25 euros for this, my friend. For a low poly game, I'm not spending 25 euros, my friend. Applied programming. If you want to do applied programming, open up VS Code. Applied programming, open up Vim, bro. God damn it. Physics, I suck at physics. I somehow managed to pass it in my GCSEs. That's it. By the way, original, is the audio too loud? Is it of the music over my voice? Mido Mahmoud. Hello, my friend. How are you? How are you, my friend? Привет. I'm not playing that. You're fine. I'm glad. To do any programming, Mido. How are you? I'm chilly, bro. You got nice hardware stats. Okay. Well, I'm trying to make a Linux kernel. You know what I mean? Because I finished the shell project I was doing at the start of the stream. Bro, I ain't pirating nothing. You write a simple kernel for 32-bit. Oh, well, I'm not 32-bit, you melon. Optionally C++. I am not doing anything in assembly. What? Here it is. Oh, what? Why can't I do it in C++? I wanted to know what is a shell, like a real shell, like the ones you see on the beach. Some kind of simulating rotating or something else. Yeah, sure, bro. So, essentially, it's this, right? This is a shell. It's an interface between the operating system and the user. So it allows the user to interact with the operating system directly, but with security features. So, like, obviously, it prevents you from doing bad stuff to the computer, but it just gives you access to operating system commands. It's the gateway to the operating system. What the hell is this? I am not clicking that link, boy. So I just recreated it. If you want to see it, in fact, you can go on my GitHub. It's the same as my YouTube name. And it should be there, but I'll show you. Bro, where's the app? Oh, let's see. Okay, so here it is, right? This is my shell. And it looks exactly like a normal shell. You can make files, right? See? You can change directories. So that's basically it. It's a really hard project, I guess. It really wasn't that hard. It took like 3 streams to do it. But that's just because the streams were short. They were like 1 hour each, so it took like 3 hours to do it. But unfortunately, most of the functionality is already given to you by a header in C++ called file system. So this gives you a lot of the functionality, which reduces the need for you to do it yourself. That's what makes it less impressive. But it was fun. It was fun, I guess. I still learned about the header, so it was a good project to learn about it. Okay, now I'm starting this project. Mida, what programming do you do? Or is it Mahmoud? I don't know what to call you, mate. Actually, let's see. Is the stream laggy? Because the original's not answering me. How can you be bad at physics when you're good at programming? Programming is just logic, not physics. Who says I'm good at programming? What? Who says that? But I'm not good at maths either. I'm not good at physics either. Double either. You know what I mean? Okay, the mic shit, but... Well, we're not... Well, not when talking about mechanics though. If you're talking about real life mechanics, I have worked mechanically on my motorcycle back in England, doing a few things there. Like I installed a full exhaust system. So if you're talking about that kind of mechanics, I have done that before. Why is my computer dead? God damn it. Anyways, back to here. Random kernel C++. What is this? Terminal put entry at. I also have another question if you don't mind. How do you learn this stuff by yourself? Bro. It's like just no, don't use AI. Don't use AI. Do not use AI. I'll kill you if you use AI. No, it's just like you need to have a lot of disrespect for your time. You need to put an unholy amount of your time into scrolling documentation and reading and testing and failing, writing code you don't understand. Slowly you understand every bit. Let me give you an example. Original, sharp. Look. So, Mahmoud, I don't know anything about you. I don't know if you do C++ or not, but when I first started learning 10 months ago, 11 months ago, C++, I wrote this line out. I knew nothing about what it was. You gotta dissect it bit by bit, alright? So, what's this? What's that semicolon? What's this? Why has it got a... Yeah, thank you, Kraft from Zen. You're the real man. We are not gonna use clankers, bro. Why does it have quotations around it? What's this? Right? What's this? What's this? What's this, right? Every bit, you just gotta ask. So write your code and then understand it after. That's a good way. Have fun being jobless then. Mate, you're gonna be the one jobless after I come around and give you a little slap, blood. You know what I mean? Boom, boom. Left, right, good night. You're gonna be a master of puppets to get your work done. Is Mahmoud even there? I hope he didn't leave. Right. I've been learning Python for a couple of years and I still do not master it. I'm fairly not beginner. I switched to front end dev now. Oh man. And I'm planning to learn back end. I wouldn't recommend front end dev in the current situation of the world. I mean, for the past year, I've been learning PHP and general boot dev for my college because they forced me to. I didn't want to do it, and it's just utterly useless. Utterly useless. The things that AI can do already are the websites. It's kind of cooked already. Okay, I keep getting distracted. Right, this website kind of sucks. The poll is at 6-7% yes. Mm-hmm. This is in C. Oh my god. Oh, it should be the same though. Okay, so. Well, it was nice talking to you. I'm gonna leave now. Keep up the good work. Right, Mahmoud. Thanks for coming, bro. Hopefully see you next time. AI is gonna give you a 1,000-line code for getting the absolute value of a number. 32-bit. I wouldn't know how to ask that to begin with. Why is this so incredibly easy? It's a one-liner. You don't even need to make a function for this. Just do that. It's faster to write terminal color equals color instead of terminal color underscore set color parentheses color. Oh, dead. I think most functions are predefined by the BIOS, so you can't rename them or call them. They're called straight from the BIOS at boot, right? Are you talking about what I was talking about? I don't know, you might be right. Fuck off, man. What do you mean the realm of C? C++ is better, mate. C++ found a niche in kernel program juice over, which can lead to cancer, more maintainable code. This guide will walk through using C++ for kernel development. Oh. What was that? C++ is better than C. Operating system Linux, GCC. CMake. Oh man. Oh, I do have it. No, C++ is better because it does everything that C does, plus more. I mean, logically, know what I mean? A C script, you can copy and paste into C++ script, it'll work. That means it has all the downsides of C++. Yeah, exactly. It's got the upsides too. For kernel headers, if using standard distribution, inhaling the magic smoke. Oh, I want to show you guys something actually. Wait 1 minute. I need to get it from my drive. Oh, I'm not logged in there. Right, let me... Gotta make sure I don't dox myself. Oh, nah. I'm not even logged in there. Alright, 1 sec. I want to show you both something real quick. Oh, the quality is awful. Alright. Here was my first high. And I was with some friends, so I recorded it. I'll show you what we had. It's this, RS11. 24% THC. I don't know if you can see, but my friend, he's dead on the couch. He's absolutely blasted. Yeah, anyway. There's nothing there, we're just saying all day. Dox yourself even if you did no one wants you. Alright, buddy. Calm down. I've actually never been hacked in my life before. Future crackhead. Mate, come over on me. Come over on me right now. Wherever you are, come over on me right now. We'll do kickboxing, yeah? 5 rounds of kickboxing. We'll see who lasts at the end. Build source. Oh. How about 2 rounds of freedom to the head? In my country, we also have your so-called freedom, so you can try it if it makes you feel better. Make this. Make the. Oh. Wait, someone's calling my ass. I'll be back in 2 minutes because a hooligan is calling me. BRB. I can't even mute myself. Give me like 5 more minutes. I gotta do something. Oh, I'm so sorry. That's my fault. I was just asking you, how did I become a good example while I was away? There's three 18-year-olds. I mean, we're all unks. Car from Zin. Do you mind explaining yourself? What example are you talking about? Alright. Well, that'll be it then. It's 8 p.m. where I am, so I need to go eat breakfast. Alright. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Car from Zen. Probably anyone left. But yeah. See you next time. Peace, peace.